Okay, here we are in the middle of central Washington, off a fed pole, and Leah, saying she could drive in the snow, apparently can't, because we ended up sliding across the road, down the side of the embankment, spinning the whole time. And here's where we ended up. So we're waiting for the tow truck. Hopefully they can winch us out. But who knows? I think we were still spinning when we left the roadway. Down here, cars running fine, everything's fine. You got the girls out of the car, they're in there. So, nice. So the car's fine. But there we go. There you have it.